In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Zoho Writer. Zoho Writer is an excellent tool for word processing and comes packed with many helpful features. Yet, when you're working with tables, sometimes you might find that a table no longer serves your purpose, and you need to remove it. Luckily, deleting a table in Zoho Writer is a quick and straightforward process that we will walk through together. Before we get started, let's assume you already have a document open in Zoho Writer, and you've set up a table that you now want to delete. First, locate the table within your document. Once you have your table in your sights, it's time to dive into the deletion process. The simplest way to proceed is to right-click on any part of your table. When you right-click, you'll notice a drop-down list appears. This list is filled with a variety of commands that are useful for editing and managing your table. It might look a bit overwhelming at first with all these options, but don't worry. For our purposes today, we're on a mission to find the delete option. Keep an eye out as you scan through the list. Delete is what you're looking for among those commands. Once you locate it, give it a click. Now that you've clicked on Delete, you might see a few different delete options that are specific to table management, such as deleting rows or columns. But what we want to do is remove the entire table all at once. So your next step is to click on the sub-option labeled Delete Table. By clicking Delete Table, Zoho Writer will immediately remove the table from your document. And there you have it. Your table has been swiftly and effectively deleted from your document. It's as easy as that. Returning to your document, you'll find that it's now free of the table, making way for space to add new content or to simply create a cleaner page. Whatever your goal, removing a table in Zoho Writer can help you maintain the flow and organization of your document without unnecessary elements. Deleting tables can be useful when adjusting content or when you've imported information and need to reduce clutter. In conclusion, knowing how to delete a table in Zoho Writer is a handy skill. It ensures your document reflects exactly what you want and helps you manage content efficiently. Now you can go ahead with confidence and ease as you continue working in Zoho Writer. Thanks for following this guide, and happy editing!